Today we are working on Excel Expert Lesson 1, the 8th lesson, applying custom and international date time formats. So this is a document you should have open. It says, note the dates and times shown on your computer will be current according to your computer's clock and will differ from those shown here. Date and time formatting will also reflect the regional settings of your computer, so keep that in mind. With the date and time demo open, which you see up here, that's what we have, select cell B2. Then on the Home tab in the Number group, click the Number Format dialog box launcher. So click right here and open that up. If necessary, select the Number tab. Mine's already on that, but if you need to do that, do it. And then click Custom down at the bottom. Delete the current contents of the Type text box. So right here, we're going to delete that. And then type, do this slowly, and observe what is displayed in the sample text box as you enter each character. So if you look right up here in this sample, as we type this, we're going to type D, 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 and you see that it changed each time. Space, D, D, and then a dash, and then M, 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 M. You can see that it started putting the date, the month in. Dash, Y, 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 Y. So for me, it's Tuesday, October 26th of 2021. So whatever day it is you're doing it, that's going to put that in there for you. So then click OK. You see that it put that right here. Select cell B3. Then on the Home tab in the Number group, click the Number Format dialog box launcher. Select the Custom category. Replace the contents in the text box with this HH, and watch like we did before, colon MM colon SS, and you can see that it's got the time. You can see that I'm doing this at 7:58 in the morning. Most of you are still asleep right now, but some of us have to get up and get to work. So click OK, and you see that it does that. So mark that as answered. Select cell C2, Canada. Open up the Number dialog box launcher. Click the, click the locale location. Which is right here. And we're going to select English Canada. Scroll up, English Canada, and then click OK. And it changed theirs. They do theirs different than us. They have the month in the middle. The date is first. A lot of places do. Change the formatting of the time in cell C3 to Canadian, which is a little different than ours. So select C3. And open up the dialog box launcher. Ensure that this says English Canada, and then click OK. Change the formatting of the date in D2 to France, so click D2. And we're going to open up the dialog box launcher. Change this to French France. In the type list box, select the 14-MARS-12. Six from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there we go. And then click OK. You can see how it changed that up here. Select cell D3. With the time category selected, make sure this says French France if necessary. In the type list box, select 13, 50, and 55, which is third from the top. Click OK. You can see everybody's dates and times are a little bit different. So mark that as answered. Submit. Submit results. 2 green check marks. So this completes applying custom and international date and time formats.